we are going to simplify some polynomial fractions, and we're going to take a look at two problems right now. We're going to first take a look at the problem of 4n plus 16 over n plus 4. Now, in order to simplify fractions, you have to find common factors between the numerator and the denominator. So if I'm looking at my numerator, I see that I have 4n plus 16. Is there a number or a greatest common monomial that I can factor out of the numerator so that I can get it broken down into its factors? Peyton? 4. 4 goes into 4. 4 goes into 16. So if I factor out a 4, and a pen is always helpful. So if I factor out a 4, 4n divided by 4 is? 16 divided by 4 is?
4.
And I have n plus 4 in the denominator. Now, is there anything I can do with the n plus 4? No, not so much. So what can I cancel out? Do I have a common factor in the numerator and the denominator? Trajan?
You have n plus 4 in both of them.
I have n plus 4. What is n plus 4 divided by n plus 4? 1. So it cancels out. And so I have 4 in the numerator. I have 1 in the denominator for a grand total of?
4.
4.
Quattro.
Okay. For number 12 is a bit of a trick problem. So let's deal with the first step, because we're going to have multiple steps in this one. I have x minus 5 times 2 plus 7x, and that's all over 5 minus x times 7x plus 2. So on face value, I don't have factors that are identical. But on further review, what do I notice about some of these factors? Sophie?
2x plus 7 is the same as 7x plus 2.
Oh, so in other words, I can reverse the order in this one? Okay. So I'm going to rewrite my problem, x minus 5 times 7x plus 2. And we're agreeing that these are equivalent. And that's all over 5 minus x times 7x plus 2. And so can I cancel something out now?
Yes.
Yes. So if you got to this point, I would give you your 1 point. But there's more. I notice that these two expressions are opposites, aren't they? Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice for summer vacation to start right now?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh
no.
my gosh. Yes.
Is that what you were thinking too?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, wouldn't it be nice? That is a lovely dream. What if we could reverse this? What happens if we could have a positive x and a negative 5? Then I could cancel things out, couldn't I?
Yeah.
So here's the trick that I'm going to use. I can think of a number that I could factor out of both of these terms. I could factor out a negative 1. I heard you, Olivia. Negative 1. So if I factor out a negative 1, 5 divided by negative 1 is? Negative 5. Ah, look at this, folks. Negative x divided by negative 1 is? Positive x. I still have my x minus 5 in the numerator. Now what can I do? I can cancel them out. X minus 5 divided by x minus 5 is?
Negative
1. So I have 1 over negative 1. 1 over negative 1, in fact, equals? Negative 1. So this whole ugly, nasty thing simply is just negative 1. Now, we haven't discussed what the one thing that we haven't discussed yet, and we haven't spent a lot of time on this, what number in 4 would make this whole thing undefined? What number can you not have in the denominator? 0. So what would make this whole thing not equal to 0? What can we not put in for n that would make this 0? Something plus 4 is 0. What's the something? So in this case, n cannot equal 4. In this case, n cannot equal 5. Or sorry, x, thank you. Or -2/7.